Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 tour of this approved used Volkswagen California diesel estate. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's get straight on with the video. This lovely California comes in a candy white colour finished in solid paint. This vehicle is powered with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and is accompanied with a DSG automatic gearbox. Taking a look at the front of the vehicle, this vehicle comes with LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, along with front fog lamps with a cornering function. The front and rear bumper, along with the wing mirror caps, as well as the door handles, are all colour matched with that lovely candy white colour. This vehicle will sit on the lovely 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-star spoke design. This vehicle is under 3 years old, which means it comes with our minimum 12 months warranty, along with a 114-point vehicle check, as well as roadside assistance. Up top, we can take a look at the electronic pop-up roof, which is incredibly useful. At the rear of the vehicle, there are some LED taillights, along with a rear view camera that will display on the screen within the cab. Behind the tailgate is a spacious interior with multiple storage spaces that act as shelves and even a wardrobe. The rear passenger bench can be folded down, providing a bed with an additional comfort mattress provided as well. And of course, which Volkswagen California would be complete without its foldable camping chairs that are secured away in the tailgate behind a zip-up pouch. And of course, taking another look from the rear right hand side of the vehicle, we can see that there are some windows in the electronically pop-up roof providing access to light, and of course, which camping trip would not be complete without the roll-out awning that is also provided with this approved used vehicle. Behind the power sliding door on the driver's side of the vehicle allows for easy access and exit to the side of the vehicle. There is also a storage compartment to the left hand side of the passenger bench, as well as some overhead storage. The passenger bench can be folded flat as in a bed shape that we have seen previously, and with the handle in the middle of the seat we can bring it back up for a travelling position. Up top, we can take a look inside the bed area once the pop-up roof has been deployed, and again another look at some of those windows which provide some excellent light into the top area, as well as a 12-volt outlet and some lighting buttons up top. More outlets are provided on the tabletop, and this camper comes with a sink, 2-hob burner and a fridge. Along with this, we also have the fold-out table, which we'll take a look at later on. Taking a look at the cab now, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, along with a touchscreen infotainment system, and the rest of the dashboard is covered in a lovely titanium black. The comfortable and ergonomic seating is provided with the Valley fabric seat trim covers in a lovely moon rock grey, as well as 2 armrests being deployed for both the front passenger as well as the driver's seat. There are also some carpeted interiors, giving a nice and luxurious feel inside the cab. Ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this vehicle. You can stick around where later on in the video we'll have a look at the interior in the dashboard with greater detail. However, if you have seen something that you would like, then again please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. And of course, if you like what you have seen in this video, then please feel free to hit that like button. And if you would like to stay up to date with all of our latest stock, then please consider subscribing. So thank you for sticking around. The controls for the electric power folding and heated wing mirrors are located on the driver's door card, next to the 2 controls for the front 2 electric windows. Moving over to the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this allows the driver to have a completely unique and customizable driver experience. Over on the right hand side, the driver can select from a variety of different options such as audio, navigation, as well as driving data and vehicle information. Over on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel, the driver has access to the assist settings as well as the cruise control setting. Toggling the on-off button, the driver can then increase or decrease their desired speed or distance with the plus and minus button. Underneath this cluster of buttons is the volume up, volume down button, meaning that the driver can have hands on the wheel at all times while operating a majority of the vehicle's functions. Moving over to the infotainment system, this vehicle comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favorite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with access to AUX and Bluetooth audio input, as well as 2 SD card slots. The vehicle also has access to AM, FM, as well as DAB radio. This lovely approved use California also comes with navigation, which can be operated with either one of the buttons on the right hand side, with a zoom in and zoom out feature, or as this infotainment system comes with a touchscreen, it can be navigated with that also. Once the vehicle has been put in the reverse gear, the rear view camera feed will display on the screen. Don't worry about any flickering that you see, it's just due to the camera's low refresh rate. The climate controls in this vehicle come suited for all year round with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. There are also some buttons to operate the power sliding door located behind the driver from the cab itself, as well as a switch to turn it off. Throughout the rest of the cab's interior, we also have a toggle for the vehicle's start-stop functions. Along with this, a button for the passenger airbag to turn off, and a little storage selection with a 12-volt outlet. And again, another look at that extremely comfortable and ergonomic seating with carpet throughout the cab. Gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around of this approved use Volkswagen California Ocean Diesel Estate. You can contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632, as well as a link provided in the description of this video straight to the vehicle's ad. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.